So today we're putting on the AC belt, which my dad thinks we can do in 30 minutes.
Okay.
But I doubt it. So, let's start by taking off this little protective plate.
Take off these plastic ones first.
Right now what we're doing is taking off the accessory belt, because the AC belt goes in behind that.
No, notice, remember where it went?
What?
Where it went?
Around this.
Yeah, let's see how it's cracked. See if it's cracked or anything. That's a good belt.
So, we got the belt on, the AC belt. Now we're tightening everything.
Okay.
So guys, we just got the belt on, the AC belt, and the accessory belt back on, and we're going to start it off in pieces. So, it is blowing cold. Cold air.
Hi. Just give me a shout out.
Yeah, I turned it off.
Give me a shout out.
What's your channel?
Ava Rogers.
Is this my sister? What?
Yeah, it's still coming.
So it's working. It's very noisy because it's very rusted and hasn't been used in a while. I turned it on. Ava, don't touch any of the pedals or anything right now, though.
Can I touch the steering wheel?
Sure. It works. It's actually it blows better than Dad's AC. It doesn't sound very good. We'll have to lube it up a little, but it works. Yeah. That one. Yeah, I didn't slam it all the way, so. This one? This? Oh, this is warmish. This one? That's very cold. Yeah, the Freon. Is that Freon going through there? It blows like really cold. Like that's great. Only problem is the noise, but that's not really much of a problem. So, you said it'd be a 30-minute job, and I doubted you, and it actually was a 30-minute job. So, let's put the plates back on.